20 minutes. As we drive, I see fewer and fewer houses and more tall trees. And right now we are all surrounded by very tall trees.
Right there.
Right here. See him?
Don't, let's not pick him up, okay? But everybody can look at him. Yo, we found a toad! Take it back.
My sister.
Well, that is a smaller woodpecker. That's a downy or a hairy woodpecker. This little cheap. But the pileated sounds like a monkey. You'll definitely. Goes up the trees. It's not poisonous.
Yeah, because I picked it up and my mom was like, "Is that poison ivy?"
It looks similar, yes, but that one has 5 leaflets.
This story trail is so fabulous. I love it so much.